Hello there, welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we are going to design this simple part in Solidworks 2018, and this part is a Solidworks ModelMania 2000 part. If you are unaware about what is Solidworks ModelMania, every year Solidworks organizes an event in which you have given a drawing and you have to draw that part with the help of some basic commands in an efficient way, and after that there will be a second drawing given with some modifications which you have to apply in that part. So this is the part which we are going to design, and I'm going to use this 2D drawing in order to create this part. It contains all the dimensions, and all these dimensions are in inch, so make sure you select inch system in your SolidWorks software. Before getting started, if you are a newbie here, make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So I'm gonna exit this. Let me pause this. First, I'm gonna enter into the part mode. Click here, part, and OK. Now, let me change the background to plain white and select sketch and select here front plane to sketch. Now, first I'm going to design this lobe with the help of revolve command. Let me go through the drawing so that you can easily understand what is the approach. Here, this is the part, and this is the section view A along this axis. This is the top view here, and this is the third angle projection, and this is the profile view of this profile which is here. It contains all the dimensions which are required to create that profile, and this is the section view BB along this inclined axis B-B. Now I'm going to first create this part. For that, I will select here line command. You can press S key, shortcut key, let me select here center line, snap this point and create a line in upward direction like this. Now select here line command and snap this point and create a line up to here. Now again select line command, create a move back and forth so that it changes into an arc like this, and create a line in downward direction, and I'm gonna complete this profile like this. I'm creating this half profile so that I can use revolve command along this axis to create the whole profile. There is an offset of 0.25 inches inside this surface. For that, let me select first, I will add some constraints. Select this point and make tangent like this. Now go to offset entities here and select this. Let me change to inch, pound, second. And I'm going to select this sketch and edit the sketch. Now I will select here offset entities, select this arc. You can see by default it is offsetting the whole profile because here select chain command is selected. So I'm gonna uncheck this. Now you can see it is only showing offset of the selected entities. Now I will select this line and uncheck here reverse direction because I want in this direction. Sorry, let me undo it. Select offset entities, select this profile and this profile, and enter the value of 0.25 inches like this and press here OK. Now you can see, now select here 3-point corner rectangle, select this point and create a rectangle like this. Now I will add some dimensions. You can see here from this base to this rectangle it is 0.25 inches and the thickness of this rectangular section is also 0.25 inches. So I'm gonna select this smart dimensions, select this line and select this. This will be 0.25 inches. Now select this. This will also be 0.25 inches like this. Now I will add total height here 3.35 inches from base to top surface. For that select this point and this point. This will be 3.35 inches. Now here two Dayas are given. First one is 2.70 and other one is 3.75. What if I want to create these as a Daya but I want to use the half profile? For that I'm going to use one trick here which you can apply on using the center line. All you have to do, select this surface or line and select the center line. Select this surface. Now you have to select this center line. You can see here now it is radius, but when I move my cursor towards left, you can see it is showing or indicating by the diameter, and this dia is 2.70. Now in the same way I'm going to create this 3.75 from this rectangular flange side. For that select this flange and select this center line. Now move your cursor towards left like this. This will be 3.75 like this. I have intentionally created these by Daya so that if in the next phase there is any changes, so I can easily change it. Now I can use this revolve boss base, select. Our axis will be this, it has default selected. Now we have to select profile, select here, select contours, uncheck this thin feature, select this surface, select this and this. I will later make it hollow. Press here OK. You can see we have created the base part. Now I am going to select here front plane, click here normal to and sketch. Now I will create this profile here. First I will create this outer profile. Here TYP means typical. It actually means that For example, this radius is here, outer arc is 0.38 inches typical. Means the arc which is here is as the same radius 0.38. That why is it written as typical. First I will create this outer profile. For that I will first create here center line, snap this horizontal dotted line and create a center line like this. Now create here two circles. First one, snap this midpoint, second one and this third one. Now control select these two circles and make them equal, and select this circle, select this arc, make tangent. Undo it. First I will assign some dimensions, then later on I will add some constraints. First you can see here radius of the arc are 0.38 is smaller one, and the here it is 0.61. So select this, radius will be 0.38, but here it is showing by diameter. So here 0.38 into 2 like this. Select this. This radius is 0.61. So dia will be 0.61 into 2. Like this. Now I will select this circle. Sorry, first I will add one more dimension. Here you can see these two circles are concentric, and this outer circle and inner circle are concentric, and these two arc and this inner circle are concentric. So from center to center this will be 1.5 inches. Go to smart dimension, select this center and this center. This will be 1.5. And from here this center to this center, this will be 0.75. Sorry, it will over define. Now I'm gonna select this circle and select this arc, make them tangent. Now I will create tangent lines here to these outer circles. Select line command, select this circle, and you can see it is showing preview of the tangent. Select this circle, again select line command, select this circle and select this. Same as here, select line, snap this and this. Select line, select this circle and make sure it is tangent like this. Let me like this. Now it is fully defined. You can trim these portions, or Solidworks automatically you can select while extruding these sketches. Now extrude distance will be 2.75 from center. I have created this profile at the center, so from center it is 2.75 inches. I will select here features and extrude boss base. Let me tilt it. Now I will select this 3 circles and distance will be here 2.75 like this. You can see I have only selected these 3 circles, that's why only circles are extruding, but when I select these sketches it automatically shows like this. But I will trim this portion. Go to sketch, select here trim entities like this. Now go to sketch, select here extrude boss base, select this profile and enter the value of 2.75. Press OK, select here merge results. OK. Now I will create this inner hole of Daya 0.75 and use extrude cut up to through all. Again select this front plane, normal to sketch, select circle command, snap this center point, smart dimension, this will be 0.75. Now go to features, go to extrude cut, select this sketch, select this opposite direction and through all. Press OK. You can see I have created this center cutout. Now I will create these two holes. For that I will again select, this time I will select this face, normal to end, sketch, select circle command, snap this center and snap this center, create two circles. Dimensions of these circles will be 0.38 dia and the cut will be 1 inch deep. Enter the value of 0.38 inches and I will select this circle, control select this circle and make them equal. Now go to extrude, select here extrude cut. Now here cut distance is 1 inches, so enter here 1. Let me choose the direction is appropriate which I need, press here OK. Now you can see here there is another profile same as this profile, which is a 45 degree from this center line. For that I am going to use this profile and use circular pattern in order to create this other profile. So go to here, circular pattern, select circular pattern and features will be this extrude, this cut and this cut, and direction will be this surface. Angle is 45 degree which I want. You can see the preview like this. Press here OK. You can see we have successfully created this another profile. Now I will create this profile. For that I will create one reference plane. Let me check here, view temporary axis. Now go to reference feature, select plane, select this axis and select this right plane. This will be the appropriate plane in order to create this profile. Click here OK. Let me edit that plane because it is at the 45 degree. Select here angle and enter the value of 45 degree like this. Now this will be the plane required to create the third profile. Now click here OK. I will sketch on this plane. Let me tilt the part to an appropriate position like this. This will be the position. Select this front plane and sketch. Let me hide these axes. Now go to here line command. First I will create this profile. Here create an inclined line like this. Select this line and make construction. Now go to smart dimension, select this line. Sorry, this direction will be here like this. Go to smart dimension, select this line, this horizontal axis, this angle is 6 degree like this. Now select here 3-point corner rectangle. Select this first point, second point, third point. From this point to base, it is 2.35 inches. This is our center line, which will be at the mid. This one. Go to smart dimension. Select this point, select this. This one will be, sorry, let me delete this. Go to smart dimension, select this point and select this. This will be 2.35 inches. Now width will be 1.2 inches. Select this one, select the center line. This will be total 1.20 inches because I have created the half. From here to here, this will be 2.4. And snap this point and this point. Make them horizontal. Now you can see our sketch is fully defined. Now I'm going to use features, this revolve base command. This will be the axis, this will be the profile, You can see it as automatically selected. Click here, OK. Now I will create this cut of Daya 0.82 inches. Select this, face, sketch. Snap this center and create a circle. Go to smart dimension, select the circle and enter the value of 0.82 inches. Now go to feature, select here extrude cut, select here up to next. Choose here. First I will make it hollow, then I will create this cut. Exit that. Sketch mode. Now I will use this previous sketch which I have used to create this revolve. Make it visible or select show. Now I will select here revolve cut. Let me hide that plane. Now I will use revolve cut. Select this sketch. This will be our axis and profile will be this area. You have to select this inside area of this arc. You can see the preview. Click here, OK. Now you can see, let me hide that sketch. Now you can see we have created this part as a hollow. Now I will delete. You can see these faces are showing. For that, go to surface, select here delete face, select here delete and patch and select these faces. Control select this face, control select this face and control select this face. Press OK. You can see now I will create this cutout. For that I have created this sketch previously, so I need not to create any sketch. Select here extrude cut, select this sketch and select here up to next. You can see it has selected the inside surface. Now you can see we have created this profile and these cutout. Now I will add some appearances. Now I will add or I will make some fillets. Here it is given that all rounds to be 0.188 r, means all these fillets will be of radius 0.188 and this will be around these three profiles. So I will select here fillet command, select this profile, enter the value of 0.188 and select. You can see it has not selected the whole profile. Let me choose these. I will select this face too. Now press here OK. Now I will add some appearance to these fillets so that you can easily view. Select here, features and fillet. In this way we can create this part of phase 1 drawing. In the next step we will be creating another phase of this drawing which contains some modifications. So this is the first phase drawing. Welcome back to second phase of this drawing. This is the second phase. Here by mistake they have written phase 1, but actually this is the second phase of the drawing, and they have provided us with some dimensions, and they have provided us only those dimensions which have been modified, so you need not to check or verify each and every dimensions from the previous drawing of phase 1. Here these 3 dimensions are modified, so we have to modify these 3 dimensions in our previous part. So select this bar and roll back to this firstmost feature, revolve. Now I will edit this sketch. You can see in previous drawing this distance will be, or this dia is 2.7 inches. Now it is 3.40 inches. So I will double select it. This will be 3.40, and this height will previous or in phase 1 this height was 3.35 inches, but now it is 4.50 inches or 4.5 inches. I will select this and enter the value of 4.50 inches. Now click here, OK. Now roll back downward. We need not to change this profile because in this phase this profile is also tangent to this upper round dome. Now I will directly come back to this revolve feature. Up to this sketch of the revolve feature like this. Now you can see here in the phase 1 this height from center to this base is 2.35, but now it is 3.5 inches. So I will select this and enter the value of 3.5 inches and press here OK. Now you can see that we need not to create or use this select feature command because all these circles are not intersecting. There is a gap between these two and these two. So I will delete this feature. Now there is an error in the fillet. I will select this fillet and edit feature. Delete all this and select here. The fillet is also 0.188 R radius. I'm going to select this surface, this edge, this one and this one. You can see it is not showing the preview, so we have to select individually each and every edges. First I will select this one only. Now select fillet, select these surface. Select this one only like this. Press here OK. Now again select here fillet command. Select Sorry, let me select this again. You can see the preview. Press here OK. In this way we can create this phase 2 drawing or do the modifications according to our phase 2 drawing. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. And if you need these 2D drawings, I have provided the link in the description box. Thank you.